Hey Emily, this is McKinley. We spoke on the phone earlier today. I just wanted to get this short video over to you that will give you some information on how you can beat your competition online and get more leads and more customers organically. So starting out, you guys have a really sleek site. I dig it. And also, you guys have 1,000 words of content on your homepage, which I don't normally see, honestly. Normally people have like 100 to 300 words, but content is really important because Google reads all of the words on your page, and that's how they determine what topics you're relevant to and therefore what to rank you for. It's also super good to get keywords in there. I would personally add some more keywords in here and also about 500 more words of content because they used to like 1,000 to 1,500 words as what Google preferred, but now they kind of prefer 1,500 to 2,000 as a minimum. But I'm going to plug your site into a tool I use called Ahrefs. It gives me a more detailed idea of your website. So you guys have a UR power of 18, and then this DR power is kind of low, but that's not a big deal. It's super easy to get up, and it would drive more power and more traffic to your site. So you have 17 pages referring to you guys and 98 backlinks overall. Backlinks are anytime there's a link on another site, and when people click on it, it takes them to your site. And it's super important to have lots of backlinks, but not just any backlink, because not all backlinks are created equal. It's important to have high quality ones that are viewed as trusted by Google, because then Google views you as trustworthy. And if you guys are considered relevant to what you do and trustworthy, then they'll see your service and your company as valuable to people that are searching online for what you do. It's also important to have a diverse amount of anchor text as your backlinks, but that's super easy. So right here, you guys can see you're getting about 26 clicks of organic traffic to your site every single month, and that you're ranking in the top 100 pages for 25 keywords. But we don't want to be in the top 100 pages, we want to be in the first page, right? Because that's what people see. So if I click on your keywords and organize them by your position on the page, you can see you're in the second and fourth position for your name, which is bringing you some traffic. But right here, carpet cleaning Grand Junction gets 250 searches every single month, and carpet cleaning Grand Junction, Colorado gets 150 searches every single month. So if you were to rank for number one for those terms, let me show you what that would look like in just a minute. First of all, I want to show you this right here is called the GMB. That was weird. The GMB or Google Map Pack, and it's the first thing that anyone sees when they search for something on Google. I'm sure you're pretty familiar with it, but a lot of the times people aren't even scrolling down here to the organic results. They are just picking who they work with from this top three right here. They don't even click on view all, which is why it's really important to be in the top three, and we do that by getting you more, really good reviews and preferably more reviews than any of your competition, as well as many citations as possible, generally more than them as well, which is anytime your business's name, address, and phone number are listed on the web. Super easy to get. So I'm going to take a look at your competition real quick. These guys are listed, I think, fourth in the organic search results. They are under some listing pages like Yelp or Yellow Pages, something like that, and also some national companies like Oxy Fresh. But Google actually prefers local businesses to national businesses or listing pages. They'll prioritize them above anybody else. So scrolling down, you can see that he doesn't actually have as much content as you guys. He does have more than average from what I've seen. He has about 500 words on his page, so half of what you have. So you're already, blowing him out of the water. But plugging him into the same tool, you can see that his power is also pretty low. It's lower than yours, but he has way more backlinks overall, and about the same amount of referring domains as you, which can actually be kind of a hindrance because you don't want a ton of backlinks and not a lot of pages coming to you, because that means that you have a lot of links from the same pages, which can appear spammy to Google. So to beat him, we could go into his backlinks and find some of his higher quality ones and steal them essentially, and then find additional ones on top of that. He's getting about 55 clicks per month, which is about double what you guys are getting. So that's double the customers, but I think that we can get even more traffic than what he's getting. If we go into his keywords, there's about 33 in the top 100 pages and organize them by position. He is in the 4th position for quite a few words. Actually, I think most of these are the same word. Yeah, carpet cleaning Grand Junction, Colorado, and carpet cleaning Grand Junction. But even being in the 4th position has still brought him about double the traffic that you guys are seeing every month and double the customers. So if we were to get you to the 1st position for these high ticket keywords, in addition to all these other relevant keywords, and utilize them even more correctly than he is, we could triple or even quadruple the amount of traffic and therefore customers you're getting every single month. And what would that mean for you and your business? So on that note, I will leave you. Once again, my name is McKinley. This is my phone number and my email. I would love to grab a cup of coffee or lunch sometime, answer any questions, maybe go over your guys' vision for the future for your company. But feel free to contact me anytime. I will keep in touch in the future to see if this has brought you any value and been helpful for you. So thank you. Have a good day.